Hey students, welcome to week 7 of our class. So this week is going to be a more conventional week. We don't have any book talks or anything like that that will be due. But what we do have is we have a test. So if you look at this, the very first thing I have listed here is the chapter 1 through 8 study guide, because the study guide is due on Thursday. Some of you were able to jump onto my study session last week on Tuesday and Friday. And I hope that was helpful to you. For this week, I'll be going over the last couple chapters. But if you didn't jump on last week, you might as well jump on, and I'll probably just go through all the chapters with you. We can talk about it and discuss it. And if you have questions, you can talk to me then. Okay. So the study guide is due on Thursday, and so along with that, we have our Lord of the Flies journals. That is due. Is the same as usual. You pick the same character. People keep on asking me, can I do a different character? No. You do the same character throughout the novel, and you do their journal entry. Okay. Then we have our discussion board, and this one. So the theme of this week is violence. So if you take a look at this assignment, what I'm asking you to do. So this week we're going to be reading chapters 7 through 9. It's about 3 chapters. Okay. And the idea in these chapters is that their society is clearly dysfunctional, and it gets to the point where they begin to embrace forms of violence. Okay, so I want you to read chapters 7 through 9 and then find 2 short passages in those chapters that you can close read in order to answer the following questions in 2 paragraphs. What function does violence serve in the island society? What kinds of violence are good? And what kinds of violence are bad? How do the boys determine the difference? Then write an informal paragraph. So for these 2 questions, you'll write 2 paragraphs, and then you'll write 1 informal paragraph over these 2 questions. Okay, so 3 paragraphs total. And then along with that, we have our quiz for the week. It's just the first quiz. It will actually be available on Friday, and it'll go from Friday to Sunday. So you have 3 days to do it. It's all multiple choice, 20 questions, multiple choice. I don't expect it to take long. I have a time limit on it for 10 minutes. I expect this to be closed book. I know that I have really no way to check and make sure you're doing that. I just ask you to practice your honesty. But I also put on a time limit to make sure that you can't be just reading the book while you go. Okay, so those are the things this week. You have your study guide, you have your chapter questions, you have your journal prompt, and you have a quiz. Okay, if you have any questions, I will be doing the study sessions on Tuesday and Thursday from 12 to 1. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a great week, and if you need any help, please email me. Oh yeah, lots of you turned in your book talks, and some of you had problems doing it. I realize, guys, and I know if you read my emails, you know I realize this. I realize that Canvas is hard to upload to. If you notice any videos that I post onto Canvas, I make into YouTube videos and embed those YouTube videos onto Canvas because it's easier. So please, if you're having a hard time uploading your book talks onto Canvas, upload them onto YouTube because it's better at uploading. I don't really understand the whole technology aspect of it, but YouTube's obviously better and easier to upload things. And then share that link or embed that video into Canvas. And it's a lot easier. Okay, guys, have a good week.